Here is a Dell computer that I'm going to recycle. This model is Dell Dimension 3000. To open the box, here is the switch. You need to pull this switch down with both hands. You push out the indentation right here. Pull and push with both hands. This one, this one. Pop out. And then here is the hard drive. Right here, need to unscrew it. I already did unscrew 2 screws. 1 screw right here, and 1 screw right here. Now you can take it off. Take it out. Here is the hard drive. Unplug the wire. Now you can recycle the computer safely.